Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to be working with lip balm. Yes, we're going to be trying the Lip Balm Hacks. Okay, so what we're going to be testing out with lip balms are eyeshadows, blush, mascara. Yes, we're going to be using this as a primer to prep our eyes for mascara application, lipstick, yes, and also we're gonna try instead of a brow gel, brow balm. Who knows, it might work. Let's test it out later. Okay, so first we're gonna be doing a eyeshadow. Yes, we're gonna try eyeshadow with the lip balm. But before we continue, please do subscribe. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. And yeah, let's get into the video. What we're gonna be needing first is your lip balm. Any lip balm, I guess a clear one would be a great choice for this because we're gonna be dealing with colors. That's the tea. Anywho, let's go with the eyeshadow. Let's go with maybe a shimmer eyeshadow. Yeah, that's best. I think this one is fine. This color. What we're gonna do with that is we're just gonna dab this onto the color, swirl it around, and you're gonna get a very pigmented color on your lip balm, like so. And just apply that right onto your eyelid. Apparently, I saw this hack on shorts, YouTube shorts. Yes, and I'm like, let me try it out. So here, you're gonna be using that color onto your eyelids. Just swipe it on. Exactly. You get a really pigmented color. Once you're done swiping, you can pat it with your finger. Like so. The hack on this is that the lip balm gives it a more pigmented color rather than just using a regular brush. So you're getting more color using lip balm. And it leaves your eyeshadow on for a good while. See, you got your shadow in like so. Let's do the other side. Okay, now that we're done with the other eye, let's just wipe your lip balm off with a tissue and then we go on to the next. While you're at it, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the exploration station. Here is your ticket. Okie dokie, artichoke. So we're still with the eyes. We go with the eyelashes. Prep our eyelashes for a mascara application. It'll protect your eyelashes also from breakage. This lip balm has like natural ingredients. Rub it on your eyelashes like so. It'll serve as a primer. And then we get our mascara. Apply your mascara. Applying lip balm first will also prevent your eyelashes from breaking, from experiencing breakage. And we curl them with our curler. Another tip from curlers, I suggest you not to use curlers all the time because they will break your lashes. This is just like the Vaseline hack because they do have the same components, almost the same component. Got your lashes done. Do you want to see? That's what they look like. This is just going to be a simple makeup using our lip balm. Our next step is a blush. So apparently I don't know what color to use. Maybe I'll use like a brownish blush. We go with that. This color here. Rub it around like so. And then apply that on your cheeks any way you want. See? You have a nice cream blush. Blend it with your finger. Nice applied blush. Sun-kissed. Okay, now that our blush is yes. Looking natural, yes. This will also save you money from buying separately blushes where you can just use one palette to fix your face. Okay, now we go on with the lipstick. We can choose maybe you can go with a nude color, yeah. Dark brown, let's go with this color up here. Go with that. Switch it around, and then we apply it on the lips. It's like a nice creamy finish that is not damaging to your lips either. I kind of like that color. I honestly love that color. And that's just lip balm and eyeshadow. Love the color. Now we go with the eyebrows in this video, how we like to call it a bomb brow. So just apply that onto your eyebrows like so. Apply. Another tip on this, it'll also keep your hairs down and not like stick out. Tame your brows. Like that. And then we brush. And then also give your eyebrows a nice shine. Yes, I am loving it. Okay. So we got our look. We've got the bold eye. We've got the healthy eyelashes, healthy eyebrows, the nice natural blush, and your bold lipstick. I just had to go with a bold lipstick because in my last video, I told myself, I was like, I should have went with a bolder lipstick, and now I have. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? Also, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you a review on a cleansing balm versus using Vaseline to remove your makeup. So cleansing balm on the other half of your face and Vaseline on the other half. So we're going to be doing a comparison. Yes, that will be in my next video. Alrighty. So yeah, lip balm is trick, trust me. And all you need is just lip balm and your palette, any palette of your choice, any lip balm of your choice. But I do suggest a clear lip balm so that you know what's going on to your lip balm. You can just clean it off with a wet tissue or just dry tissue. Wet tissue is fine. That's the look, that's the tip, that's the look. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, and guys, I am on YouTube Shorts. I post every day. Please do follow me on the, follow my journey on the YouTube Shorts. I'm getting there. I post my dance videos there. I also post shorts on makeup hacks, like little snippets from my videos. I post them there, so I really suggest you watch like the whole video, but then if you just want to see the snippets of it, check my shorts, they're on there. So yeah, that's all. Bye.